This video will discuss some basic algebra. I'd like to start with what we would call the associative property, and that is that if I associate these two numbers together and then add C, that would be the same as if I were to associate these two numbers together and add A. We also have the commutative property, where we have A plus B equal to B plus A, and the additive identity where we add 0 to A and we are returned with A. There are many of these. I'm only going to show a few of them. We have the multiplicative identity. We have multiplication by 0. We have also the associative rule for multiplication, which would say if I associate these two numbers together and then multiply by C, it's the same as doing the association this way and then multiplying by A. And we also have the commutative property here, where A times B equals B times A. Finally, we have the distributive law. The distributive law says if we have A times the sum B plus C, then we take A and we multiply it by B, and we take A and we multiply it by C. And because we're adding here, we will add over here. And so that's the distributive law. That law continues. In the US, we often say the word FOIL for this second case here, where we have two binomials added together. And FOIL stands for the acronym first, outer, inner, last. And what do I mean by that? I mean we're going to multiply the first terms here to get AC. We're going to multiply the outer terms to get AD, the inner terms, and finally the last terms to give us respectively BC and BD.